So today I'm back here in these mountains to photograph some wildlife, and today I'm seeing some monkeys and I decide to photograph them. I can see some of them from here, and let me show you. They are here in these trees. So but I have to be little careful because sometimes they are little crazy and I don't want to disturb them, but they are little kind of used to the people, so I think it won't be that difficult to photograph them, and I just have to maintain some distance so they will feel safe with me. So let's see what I can get today. Now I can see monkey over there on that tree, and maybe you can see. So it's time to get off the camera and try to photograph them. Now I'm ready to photograph them. Let's see what I get today. Oh, they are coming this side. They are just, some of them just above me. I can see from here. So I have to be little careful. I don't know if you can see them, but I can see them from here. Yes, about 20 monkeys. So, and they are swimming very comfortable with me. It's not a good place to photograph them. I have to go little up there. Just a 5 minutes ago they all are here, and now they are disappear. I'm trying to find them, but I can't see any of them because there is a lot of trees here where they can go. Let's see if I can find them. I'm not seeing any movement on these trees. They are like they were not here. I'm only able to get one photo, but that is very far away. Now the all monkeys are gone, but I can see some my favorite birds, some of my favorite birds, parrots, parakeets, just front of me, and I want to photograph them because I haven't photographed them very long time, and I love to photograph them. So let me get some photograph of them. I can see them from here, but they are a little far away, and if I try to go close to them, I know they will fly away. So now I'm just waiting here for them to come. I have 4 or 5 trees just front of me, and if they come here in these trees, then I can get some good photos. And now I just only have to wait here and hoping that they will come here, and then I can get some good photos of them. And now the winter is coming, so these trees, they are losing their leaves, and now they have some yellow and some green leaves, so it look more beautiful. And after some days, maybe about 2 weeks, there will be no leaf on these trees, but they will have some little flowers, and these parakeets, they always eat them, so that will be a very good chance to get some more photograph of them. I always get some photograph of these parakeets, and they look very beautiful. So now there is a bird just few meters away from me. She's here, just over there. Today I got some really beautiful photos and videos. I just saw some British birds. I don't know that name. I'm confused with that, but they are really rare here in these mountains to photograph and seeing them. But I was lucky. I'm able to get a few seconds of clip here. They are only few meters, 5 meters away from me, and I was really quiet and still. So they're not getting they don't get scared of me, and I was lucky. But I cannot photograph those monkeys here because they are really quick here in these mountains. So I will try some another day because I never photographed these monkeys in this mountain, so that will be a new experience for me, and I really want to get that experience. But I was lucky to get some really good photos of these parakeets and some other birds, and I was happy with that. And now it's time to go back home and see these photos and videos, and subscribe my channel if you like this, and if you like this video, please like and share it with your friends if you want. So I will see you in another video very soon. So goodbye. So now I'm still on the way to the home, and you can see how dark it is in this forest. I'm not able to see anything here. It's really dark here.